Math is everywhere you look. It's in everything you do. And it can be fun to use. Join us for today's episode of Math Everywhere, with Renee Harris, our host.
Hello and welcome to Math Everywhere. I'm Renee Harris, your math magician, helping you to see the magic in math. Today, we're at Skate Zone 71. We're here on a field trip with Siebert Elementary students, and they're working on a STEM activity that incorporates STEM-related topics. So we're talking science, technology, engineering, and of course, math. Okay, so now we know, families, when we're talking about STEM, we're talking about science, technology, engineering, and math. So tell us a little bit about the activity you did with the students today.
Okay, we measured a roller skate rolling on the wood floor with very little friction, and we measured the distance. And then we did the same thing with more friction on the carpet. We wanted the kids to see that when we measured the distance on the wood floor, the distance would be farther because there's less friction on the wood floor. And then we did it on the carpet, and the distance should have been shorter because there's more resistance and more friction on the carpet. So once we did that several times on the wood floor and several times on the carpet, we added those distances together and we determined the average. So we were working on determining averages.
I think that is an awesome tie-in with all elements of that STEM education. Now, for me in particular, I like to focus on the math and things. And so I heard you say something about distance. I also heard you say something about average. So when you were preparing this lesson, what math in particular were you wanting to focus on or wanting to draw out of the students through the lessons?
The math that we did, I used your curriculum and noticed that this would be a perfect lesson match for your curriculum with addition and adding double digits. So we did a little bit of addition, we did a little bit of division.
That's math.
Yes.
One thing when we think about when we're visiting a skating rink, we don't often think about the math that is involved here. But I did a little research and I found out some things about this particular roller skating rink. It is approximately 13,000 square feet. So the skating surface itself is about 13,000 square feet. I also found out that 16 laps around, that means if we go around this skating rink 16 times, that equals 1 mile. Now, we're always thinking about where the math is in things, so let's just say I don't make it around 16 times, but I make it around 8 times, then at least I've still done a half a mile. So that is good exercise, and guess what else? That's math. Now, I did also notice you were taking apart roller skates when I first got here. Tell us a little bit about that.
A lot of kids feel that STEM is scary and STEM is not scary. And so our taking apart the roller skate, we really want them to understand what engineers do. So we really focus on the engineering piece of taking apart a roller skate, reverse engineering a roller skate, and then putting it back together. And the kids tend to be fascinated by how well they actually do.
They were very engaged with that activity. It seemed very fun. Okay, well, thank you so much. So we're thinking about the roller skating rink, families, and when we come out to the roller skating rink, of course, I love to always point out the math and things, but Carrie has done a fine job with helping us to point out all the STEM elements that the roller skating rink has to offer. Thank you so much, Carrie. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, absolutely. And we'll be back.
Great, thank you.
Yes. Remember, there's math everywhere. And here at Skate Zone 71, we talked about speed, we talked about distance. So remember, if you plan to visit Skate Zone 71 soon, the area of this skating rink is 13,000 square feet. And 16 times around is 1 mile. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get my 16 laps in now. See you next time.